How to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep more than one audio in Instagram Reel. First things first, open your Instagram account and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, swipe right and go to Reel section and click a video or simply select any video. Now, after you've clicked your video, go to next and click on edit. Now here you can find tap on add audio. Now here you can see the audio clip. Tap on it and you can simply swipe it like this to only keep this much audio. Now again, to add another audio, click on tap to add audio. Now let's add this audio. Now as you can see here, we have two audios right like this. Now you can also add more audios. Let me show you how. Now you can simply tap on audio again, add on audio, and you can simply add another audio again. And this is how you simply add multiple audio in Instagram Reels.